The electric power washer 4000 psi max delivers a maximum cleaning power of 4,000 pounds per square inch and 2.7 gallons per minute of water flow, making it ideal for removing tough stains like tar, grease, and oil. The power washer features a total stop system, which automatically shuts off the pump when the trigger is not in use, enhancing safety and efficiency. The 25-foot pressure hose allows for easy cleaning in hard-to-reach areas without having to move the washer. The washer is equipped with 4 quick connect nozzles and a 16.9-ounce soap tank, which allows for a variety of cleaning tasks and the use of rich bubbles for better cleanliness. The manufacturer, Fengrong, offers professional customer service and is committed to providing a good user experience. With a review score of 4.2 and over 100 units sold monthly, the electric power washer 4000 psi max is a popular and trusted choice for many customers.